Introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Introduction to PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphics software. It is developed by Microsoft. It is an integral component of the Microsoft Office suite. PowerPoint enables you to create and display interesting digital presentations using text, pictures, charts, graphics, diagrams, audio, video, animated special effects, and so on. Presentation. Presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic format and order that shows the information about some particular topic in the form of text, graphics, sounds, animation, and so on. Slide. A slide is like a digital page in an electronic presentation. It displays the information related to the topic. Features of a PowerPoint presentation. A PowerPoint presentation is used to present an idea and information. Companies and organizations use it to present information about their products and goals in workshops and meetings. Teachers use a PowerPoint presentation as a teaching tool and to prepare lesson plans. PowerPoint presentations are used to grab the attention of the audience. Visual impacts created by presentations usually stay longer in the memory of audience. Starting Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. To start Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, follow the steps given here. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Select all programs. Step 3. Click on Microsoft Office. Step 4. Select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. The MS PowerPoint 2010 window opens as shown here. Components of MS PowerPoint 2010 window. MS PowerPoint 2010 interface consists of the following components. Title bar. It is the long horizontal bar present at the top of the window. It displays the name of the current presentation. By default, it shows Presentation 1. Control buttons like Minimize, Maximize, and Close are present at its right side. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the frequently used command buttons like Save, Undo, and Redo. It is located left to the title bar. You can customize it by adding or removing the buttons. Ribbon. It is the broad bar containing tabs and groups for various commands. It is located right below the title bar. Tab. A group of related commands forms a tab. Each tab has its own ribbon. PowerPoint has File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, and View tabs. Group. A set of related commands on each tab is called a group. File tab. It is located left to the Home tab. It contains options like New, Open, Save, Print, and so on. The screen that opens on clicking the File tab is called Backstage View. Rulers. There are two rulers, vertical, left, and horizontal, top, in the PowerPoint work area. These rulers help the users to align the text, images, and other objects added on the slide. Slides pane. It is the main working area where you can add and edit the content such as text, images, and other objects. Placeholders. Placeholders are the text boxes with dotted borders. These text boxes can contain title, body text, and objects such as graphics, tables, pictures, and so on. Placeholders are present inside a slide in the Slides pane. Slides Navigation pane. This pane is located at the left side of the Slides pane. It displays the thumbnail view of all the slides of a presentation. Here, you can select a slide in order to open it on the Slides pane. This pane also lets the users navigate between the slides. Notes pane. This area is used to write personal notes about a slide. These notes are not displayed during the slideshow. Status bar. The horizontal bar at the bottom of the window is called the status bar. It displays the serial number of the active slide out of the total number of slides in a presentation. At the right side of the status bar, there are following view buttons. Normal view. It is the default view which displays a single slide on the Slides pane. Slide Sorter view. It displays the thumbnail view of all the slides in a presentation. This view neither has the slide pane nor the slide navigation pane. Reading view. This view displays a single slide on the entire PowerPoint window. In this view, only title bar and the status bar are visible. Slideshow view. A PowerPoint presentation runs in this view. It displays a single slide on the entire screen. You will also find a zoom slider on the extreme right of the status bar. This slider adjusts the view size of the current slide. Creating a new presentation. To create a new presentation, follow these steps. Click on File tab to open the Backstage view. Select New option. The available templates and themes pane appears. Double-click on the blank presentation option. A new presentation opens with a blank title slide layout, which is the default layout. Notice the slide has two placeholders. Entering text in a slide. To enter text in a slide, follow the steps. Step 1. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. Step 2. The cursor appears in the text box. Type Computer Lab. Step 3. Bring the cursor inside the Click to Add Subtitle placeholder. Type Learn with Fun. You will notice that the entered text appears on the slide. Step 4. Click anywhere outside the placeholder. Saving a presentation. Before we proceed any further, let us learn how to save a presentation. Follow these steps to save your presentation. Step 1. Click File, Save to open the Save As dialog box. Step 2. Browse to the folder where you wish to save your presentation. Step 3. In the File Name box, enter a suitable file name. By default, PowerPoint suggests the title of the presentation as the file name. Step 4. Click Save. The PowerPoint file is saved with the extension .pptx. It appears after the file name. Closing a PowerPoint presentation. To close a presentation, Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. In the left pane, select the Close option. If the latest changes are not saved, MS PowerPoint prompts a message box. Choose the required option. Save option saves the changes before closing the presentation. Don't Save option closes the presentation without saving the latest changes made. Cancel option aborts the closing operation and takes the user back to the presentation. Opening a saved presentation. To open a saved presentation, Follow the steps given here. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. In the left pane, select the Open option. The Open dialog box appears on the screen. Step 3. Locate and select the desired file and click Open. Slide layout. A slide layout refers to the general arrangement of various components on the slide. It provides you with different ways to position your text, images, and other graphic options. Microsoft PowerPoint offers various slide layouts for different purposes. Let us have a look and briefly learn about the features of some commonly used slide layouts. Title slide. It is the default slide layout of an MS PowerPoint presentation. Using this layout, you can give title and subtitle to your presentation. There are two placeholders in this slide layout. Title and content. This slide layout contains two types of placeholders. The placeholder at the top is used to add a title. The bottom placeholder can be used to add objects such as text, images, graphics, audio, video, charts, and so on. Comparison. In this layout, you will find a placeholder for the title and two vertical content placeholders for adding either text, graphics, or both. This slide layout can be used to compare texts or graphics. Picture with caption. The left placeholder in this layout is used to place only a picture. The right side section holds a placeholder where you can add title or caption for the picture. Adding a new slide. A presentation can have one or more slides in it. MS PowerPoint lets you add unlimited number of slides to a presentation. By default, a PowerPoint presentation opens with a single slide. Let us insert a new slide in an existing presentation. To do so, follow the steps given here. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Step 2. In the Slides group, click on the New Slide button drop-down arrow. A drop-down menu appears displaying the 9 different slide layouts. Step 3. Select the desired layout and click. A new slide with the selected layout appears on the Slides pane as well as on the Slides navigation pane. Press shortcut key Ctrl+M combination to add a new slide in a presentation. Press Ctrl+N key combination to create a new presentation. Adding an image to a slide. To add an image on a slide, do as follows. Step 1. Insert a slide with title and content layout. Step 2. On the Insert tab, select the Picture option in the Images group. Step 3. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Locate and select the folder where the required image is stored. Step 4. Select the required image file and click Insert. The selected image appears on the slide. Deleting a placeholder. To delete a placeholder, follow the steps. Step 1. Select the placeholder by clicking on its border. Step 2. Press Delete key. To delete multiple placeholders at a time, hold down Ctrl key and click border of each placeholder and then press Delete key. Deleting a slide. To delete a slide in normal view, follow any of the given methods. Method 1. In the Slides pane, select the slide to be deleted from the presentation. Press Delete or Backspace key. Method 2. In the Slides navigation pane, right-click on the slide thumbnail that you wish to delete. In the shortcut menu, select the Delete Slide option as shown. Slideshow. A slideshow means displaying slides one by one in a sequential order on the full screen. Slideshow displays all the slides of a presentation either from the first slide or from the current slide. To run a presentation, follow any of the given methods. Step 1. Click on the slideshow icon on the status bar. Step 2. On the slideshow tab, choose a required option in the Start Slideshow group. The various slideshow options are: from beginning, it starts the slideshow from the very first slide. From current slide, it begins the slideshow from the current slide. Broadcast slideshow. This option lets you display a presentation to general public over the internet. Viewers can watch this on a web browser. Custom slideshow. This option displays only the selected slides in slideshow. Shortcut key. F5 is the shortcut key to run a presentation. To start the slideshow from a particular slide, open that slide and press Shift plus F5 key combination. Exiting PowerPoint application. Exiting an application means closing it. To exit PowerPoint application, choose any of the two methods. Method 1. Click on the Close button present on the extreme right side of the title bar. Method 2. Press Alt plus F4 key combination.